Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with me. Today I am going to take a session on easy drawing for kids. First, let me tell you why drawing is very important for young ones. Drawing is a very important way of communication like rhymes and stories. Children cannot express each and everything through words and actions. So, drawing is another unique way of expressing the child's emotions and feelings. So, I want all the parents to allow their kids to draw as much as possible to understand the inner feeling of the kids and their thoughts. This also will help the child in building the emotional intelligence. Now, let's get into the session. Before I start, I want the kids to quickly grab some white papers, pencil, eraser and few crayons. Okay? So today I am going to teach you 5 simple drawings. First, let's start with one of your favorite things. That's an ice cream. So children, follow my instructions and keep drawing in your white sheet. First, make a semicircle like this. Okay. Now, make some curves below that. Okay, now draw a V shape under the ice cream. Okay children, now let's decorate the ice cream. Make 2 eyes like this. Draw 2 curves on the top right hand side and give your ice cream a smiling face. Now, you can also decorate the cone with slanting lines like this. Okay, children? Hope you have finished drawing ice cream in your white papers. Well, let's go to the next drawing now. And now I'm going to teach you a flower. Okay, children? First, make a circle like this and another big circle around this circle. Okay. Now, make curves like this around the circles. Can you see it, children? Now your flower is ready. Put a line like this. And then let's draw some leaves. Okay. Draw a line in between and give some lines inside the leaf. You can also draw lines in your flower to make it look more attractive. Well, next I'm going to show you how to draw a fish. Now, first put a dot here and put another dot maybe here. Okay. Then make an upper curve and a lower curve. Okay. Now, make 2 more dots here and here. Okay children, now write a big 3 like this. Next, a line like this from here to here. Then make a circle here which forms an eye. Again, on the top right, give a small curve. Now, let's draw some 2 curves here and here. Well children, now let's draw few more curves inside the fish to complete the drawing. You can also draw some lines inside the fish tail. So hope you enjoyed drawing. Our next drawing is your birthday cake. So do you want to learn how to draw a birthday cake? Come, I'll teach you. First, sleeping line. You all know sleeping line, right? Now make it a rectangle. 2 standing lines here and here. And join these 2 lines like this. This is your base of the cake. Now some 2 dots here and here. Again make 2 standing lines like this and join these 2 standing lines. Again make another step by putting 2 dots like this and draw 2 standing lines like this. And now join these 2 standing lines. You are ready with the 3 levels of your cake. Now let's decorate the cake. Put small curves like this in all the rectangular levels. Okay children? Fine. Now what is missing? I know, it's your birthday candle. 2 standing lines and a small flame lit over. And draw some circles inside every base. Here you can draw some lines like this to make it different, and again you can put some circles here. Your birthday cake is ready. Now comes your final drawing. The last one is your butterfly. So children, follow my instructions properly, okay? First, X like this, okay? Now make a 3 on the right side and from the left side. Okay children, now be in the middle and a curve above. Right. Now draw 2 slanting lines like this and give a curve on the top. Well, now again join these lines like this. Also to draw small tails like this in the below. Now draw 2 lines from the middle and make another 3 like this. The same process, draw a line inside like this and then make another 3 here. Let's draw 2 eyes to a butterfly and also give a smiley face. Now put 2 circles here and 2 circles here. What do you want me to put here? We can put some hearts like this. And the same goes here. V and then make it 3. Simple. V and then make it 3. Right children? And you can also draw some oval shape in middle. Like this. Oval. Okay children. Now let's draw some curves in the caterpillar. Your butterfly is ready. So hope you have really enjoyed drawing with me today. Now I think all your drawings are ready. Now take your crayons and give life to your drawings with your favorite colors. I'll see you in the next session. And for those who have missed my previous session, click on the I button on the top left for all my previous sessions. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you again.